Well, I haven't done a parking lot video, I don't think, in like a month. And what's funner than doing a LiveGood parking steering wheel video? Okay? I am going to do one right now. Usually I'm in my studio or farting around my office or doing something, but my gosh almighty, I am going to sit in my car. And if you guys look at my sunroof, it's a beautiful day in Salt Lake. It's just killer. It's like warm. It's almost hot, actually. I've been at a toy convention all day. Well, I went to 2 toy conventions. My friend, free plug, BT&T Toys in Salt Lake City. It's 2511 South State. I bought a crap load of toys that are all over my car right now. And then I went down to Southtown Mall in Sandy, and I bought a bunch of these Funko Pop dolls, which I'm going to show you. Because every video, it can't be around the Matrix and the power line. Oh my God, and did you hear about the diamond bonus? You got to have fun too in your video. Seriously. And if you're sitting in your car, open your sunroof up, get yourself a drink. Come on, let's have a drink. I am always having a little swig when I do videos. Nothing's worse than being kind of thirsty and you got a video, and you got to do a video. Okay, first of all, cheers to everybody. Subscribe to my channel if you're watching this. And I hope you guys are kicking ass in LiveGood and spreading the information about the products. And if you want to talk about the opportunity, do what I do on the street. I just told about 40 people at the toy conventions. Just pleasewatchvideo.com. It's so simple. They'll go watch it. If they want to join, great. If not, it doesn't take more than 10 seconds. This is really true. And I'm guilty of this. One thing that I enjoy doing is I love to make video, okay? I've been doing video a long time, not just with LiveGood. I have to do video for voiceover work that I do. And then I also have a radio station that I've been, oh my God, I kicked it off in 2006. So here it is 17 years later. It's called Pure Rock Radio. It's on purerockradio.com, free plug. But one thing that it's easy to do is if you just simply always post on TikTok, always post on Instagram, and like myself, you just always post on YouTube, but you forget that you can just reach out to people live. And if you're embarrassed, what's the worst going to happen? They're going to like come and kick you in the crotch, or maybe they're going to take away your birthday or something. But I mean, reaching people online, not like in person, going down the mall, going through Walmart, going to, I don't know, let's say Del Taco, ordering tacos. There's a time and a place when you do kind of, it's not that you're pimping LiveGood, but it can sound that way. Sometimes it's hard to transition. Like, let me put my drink down. I'm addicted to these Funko Pop dolls. I won't even say how many I have, but I could open up 2 stores at this level. But I'm at the, I guess you call it a Funko Pop convention. And it's hard for me to go up and just say, oh, hey, man, I'll tell you what, did you see Atomic Blonde with Charlize Theron? Boy, she was in good shape. And I'll tell you what, if you want to go ahead and join my business for $10 a month or $100 a year, if you take the vitamins and supplements, you might be able to kick ass like Charlize Theron. That was pretty good. Actually, I'm going to use that. So, or for example, hey, I'm not joking. It's only $10 a month, $100 a year. And if you want to do business, I'm not joking. Listen, it's only $40 to be an affiliate, one-time fee. I'm not joking, just like the Joker. The Heath Ledger version, by the way. That's called a real cheesy transition into please join my business because I'm desperate, I'm pathetic, love me, like me, I'm broke, I want to make money off you. Because that's kind of, you can use a little bit of humor and stuff and get away with it now and then, like a Saturday Night Live skit. If the skit sucks and it's shitty, you expect that out of Saturday Night Live, especially now, because Saturday Night Live in 2023, it is so crappy, but whatever. You guys like Back to the Future? Well, I'll tell you what, if you could go back to the future and get your youth back, why don't you take my supplements with LiveGood? $10 a month, $100 a year, and if you want to make money and spread the good word about the gospel of eating right, you might be able to go back to the future and live young, like Michael J. Fox and Doc. I'll sit here you go watch my dumb videos. I will sit here all day in my car. It's actually like summer now. I'm getting in one of my bikes here and I'm going to ride around. This next transition, you're probably going to go, God, I am not joining this guy's group because he's a pervert, which I probably am. Okay. All right. Well, if you're feeling a little bit tiny, a little bit wee about the big, vast internet, it's huge. There's a lot of competition. Everyone's trying to make money at home. Everyone's trying to sell nutrition products. But do you feel just like you're kind of like a tiny little wee person with all that competition? Well, ladies and gentlemen, buy a Peewee Herman doll. That's right, Peewee Herman. I bought a Peewee Herman doll today. I'm excited about that. All right, can I show you some more? If you keep watching my stupid video, I will keep going. Thank you very little. All right, guys. I'm just showing you. Have some fun in your video. I'm sitting in my car right now, and it is fun. I've got the steering wheel in front of me. I got AC/DC cranking on the stereo low. And one tip for real, do not have music in your video because they have that Shazam type software. And if there's any type of music in the background, they'll either strike your video, they'll mute it, or they'll just delete it. So don't have music in the background like me, because I just realized I have AC/DC lightly in the background. All right, Michael J. Fox. I tried to get his character in Back to the Future today, and I couldn't find one. But I did find remember Teen Wolf? How cool is that? And you guys like little trees? Did you guys ever want to like go and paint trees? Because who doesn't know this guy? That's right, I bought the doll. And I don't know how to like improvise LiveGood into this guy, but he passed away. And he was a good guy. You know what? He was teaching you how to make trees. And that's a cool thing. I know for a fact that I'm the only one in America either dumb enough or crazy enough to buy this next doll. Most people will remember him, kinda. All right? You guys remember Dr. Pepper? All right. They had like this rock and roll party guy named Lil Sweet. Lil, not little, like Lil Wayne. Lil Sweet. And I felt bad for this guy. He had like badass shoes on. He looked like a rock star, even though I don't think he was. And he promoted Dr. Pepper. And you know what? I bought myself a Lil Sweet doll. Thank you. All right. I could go on and on. I actually bought like 30 Hot Wheels and a whole bunch of other crap. Can I show you just two more? Because none of my friends give a shit what I do when it comes to doll and toy collecting. But if you guys will just bear with me, we can all talk LiveGood until we're blue in the face and blue in the shirt. But how many people have the 3D glass version of this little bastard? I have one. Can I show you just one more? Gremlins. Oh my God, look at the teeth. I had the same teeth, look. Oh man. One thing that I will admit, if you can make a couple extra bucks with LiveGood, it is kind of nice if you can just kind of burn a couple bucks on things that make you smile. And if you got to pay bills, do that. If you got to buy food, that is so damn important. That's why I really do seriously like LiveGood, because it's affordable. Most people can afford 10 bucks a month or $100 a year. A lot of people do have a couple $20 bills that they can just spend, invest, and become an affiliate. Because if you have a little bit of extra money, all of a sudden you can breathe a little bit. You can smile. If your kid has a dental bill, great. If you just got to pay rent, awesome. And if you have a little bit of extra cash, you can go to toy conventions or Harley Davidson events, or, my God, there's so much fun out there. Don't get addicted to staying home and watching TV. Do not watch like Fox and CNN all day, because it's negative. The world's coming down. The economy sucks. The left, the right. You've got Budweiser doing the most batshit weird shit that I don't know what Budweiser's doing. And you know what? I don't give a rat's ass. Screw Budweiser. If they're stupid enough to ruin themselves, I don't care. Because I got Lil Sweet. You think this rock and roll guy in tight-ass pants? That's right. I think he hasn't cut his thing off. But it seems like everyone that drinks Bud Light might or might not have parts. I don't know yet. But anyway, Lil Sweet. Can I just show you a couple more? I bought a bunch of hot blonde chicks. Do you guys remember Atomic Bomb? I showed you that. Can I just show you a couple more? Do you guys remember that sweet hot girl Margot Robbie? She's on Suicide Squad. She's over by New Zealand or Australia. And coincidentally, so is Charlize Theron. Remember, she's like from South Africa or something? And then I bought another hot doll too. I think I'm lonely. I need to get out of the studio and quit making LiveGood videos because I have more dolls that I bought and I can't remember where I put them, but I bought a bunch of hot, oh, here's one. Do you guys remember Wonder Woman Part 2? It's called WW84. Remember at the end, there's a blonde cheetah girl that's the bad girl. So I had to buy her too. Because when you're lonely, you buy Dr. Pepper dolls. And you talk in your car with the sunroof open. All right. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'm filming this in Salt Lake City. It's Saturday afternoon. I'm going to get one of my motorcycles out here, just go cruising around. And then tomorrow, I'm going to do more LiveGood videos, but I'm going to be outside. I help promote and produce car shows with my buddy Blaine and his lovely wife Jill, Rockin' Hot Rod Productions. So tomorrow we got a big car show event at a great place, and I'll show you a bunch of video. But it's good to get out too. Sometimes if you just want to sit in your car, I get it. And you got your steering wheel and it's safe. Most people do videos like this where you just kind of look in and, you know, you can see in the back. I'm kind of by a building right now. I kind of got some shade so I can kind of see you guys. But hey, if you want to do videos all day long in your car, it's quiet, it's comfortable. If you mess up, you can start over again. But do whatever makes you comfortable. And then one day, if you want to walk in the park or go down the street, maybe strolling along, as long as it's kind of quiet enough where people can understand you, you can do lifestyle video. You do not have to be a puppet and a robot scared shitless in a studio talking like nervous. Like do you promise to tell the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? I mean, it's easy to do that when you do videos promoting a business, but I just recommend, if you don't mind, just get a little bit of fun in there. You don't have to crack fart jokes. Let me do that. But lifestyle, show a little bit of what you're like, maybe where you go, if you have a hobby. I love motorcycles, so tomorrow I'm going to take us for a ride on, I think I'm going to get my yellow bike out. I got a yellow Harley Davidson all tricked out. And then when we get to the car show, I'll show you some of the sweetest, nicest people that have been fortunate enough to make money, and they invested into muscle cars, and they bring lawn chairs, umbrellas. They just sit and relax. And at the end of the day, it's so important to focus that you can definitely live that type of lifestyle. And it does take money. In my opinion, if you have a little excess money, you can always give it away or help charity. But you know what? It's kind of cool too. If you have hobbies like car shows or bikes or I mean, there's so much fun shit out there. It's mind blowing. So anyway, can I show you just one more doll that I bought? Do you guys remember Army of Darkness and Evil Dead? That's right. I bought Ash, and look, he's even got his chainsaw. I love this shit. And I even bought this doll, and I don't even know what it is, but I think it's one of those Japanese cartoons. But look at that. He's badass. He's angry. And he's got like the most killer guitar I've ever seen. I don't know what it is, but it's cool. Okay, anyway, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I have a great time with LiveGood. I'm getting paid every Thursday into Friday. That's the cutoff. Products are awesome. And if you just promote, here's my link. Mine's pleasewatchvideo.com. If you guys don't mind watching it, if you want to come aboard, I'll see you in the back office where it says pre-enroll. And then if you want to lock arms and shake hands, you'll become a member, and I can see that in my back office. So, all right, thanks for watching my video. I had fun. I love toys and collecting crazy shit. So, all right, we'll see you guys next video, okay? All right, have a good weekend.